and then we continued until we reached the point of Qural Ghamim. The area that we are in is called this area that we are in is called Qural Ghamim. What is Qura? Qura means elbow or an L shape, because the mountain behind, from the top, if you look at it, it's in an L shape. And Ghamim is the plant that grows in this area, so that's why they named that mountain Qura al-Ghamim. The Prophet ﷺ, when he came to this place, he met Buraida radiallahu anhu bin Ashum radiallahu anhu, and Buraida radiallahu anhu was a normal man, which the Prophet ﷺ asked him, what is your name? He said, my name is Buraida. The Prophet ﷺ said, Baruda Amruna, that now our journey has become with ease and coolness. So thereafter the Prophet ﷺ asked him, from which tribe are you? He said, Banu Aslam. So the Prophet ﷺ said that now peace has come to us. And because Aslam, Salam means peace. And then he asked, from which clan are you? So he said, I am from Banu Ashum. So he said, the Prophet ﷺ said that you will be given good sustenance and provisions, because Ashum means a portion that you win in Mali Ghanima, or in terms of booty, etc. So the Prophet ﷺ, he asked the Prophet ﷺ, who are you? So the Prophet ﷺ said, I am Muhammad, I am the messenger of Allah. The Prophet ﷺ invited him to Islam, recited the Quran, he accepted Islam. And he told the Prophet ﷺ, there's 85 families that are nearby, but they have been stricken by drought and they are in difficulty. And they would, can I invite all of them to Islam? So the Prophet ﷺ said, yes, you can invite all of them to Islam. Thereafter he called upon all of them. The Prophet ﷺ invited them to Islam, and everyone accepted. That same day, over 300 people accepted Islam. The Prophet ﷺ prayed Maghrib, Isha and Fajr here, and then the next day he left and he continued. So this is the place which is known as Qura al-Ghamim.